Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 Season 2 game crashing startup, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. You have to wait for some time. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. You will go to the game folder, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if the issue continues, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it helps. If the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and you are also suggested to run EA anti-cheat.installer as admin. So select it, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and see. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck it, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. But if the issue continues, here also come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users go through the link given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. And after that, here you have to select the application. If you cannot find it, you can add it. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get a repair or install option. Click on repair and wait for some time. Now once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here select the drive where your game has been installed, then select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. If not, next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to click add your game to the list. So if your game is not added, you have to click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After you select high performance, launch the game and then check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Battlefield 6 Season 2 game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall Battlefield 6 Season 2 game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. So these are few solutions to fix Battlefield 6 Season 2 game crashing or stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.